Hello everyone, welcome to Navya's Hospitality Services and I am Rajesh. Today we're gonna speak about our ride from Airoli to Panchgani, Mahabaleshwar, Khas Plateau and back to Mumbai. So we started at 5:30 in the morning and the distance from Airoli to Mahabaleshwar is close to about 270 kilometers. And we took the National Highway 48. The first stop was at Kamshir for a nice tea break, followed by our next stop was just at Y for a special, the best vada pav, and the vada pav was best. So now from Y, we went to a very beautiful spot which was Harrison Folly. This is about 10 kilometers on the way to Panchgani. From Y to Panchgani is 14 kilometers, so this spot comes about 10 kilometers from there. And it is the first spot area where you can overlook the entire valley of Y. Some parts of, you can see some parts of Pune, some parts of Satara on the right side. So it's very beautiful. And it's gorgeous by itself, not too touristic as they are developing that spot right now, but in future it would be a very high point for Panchgani. So after spending close to about 2 hours at Harrison Folly, we went to our resort which was at Mahabaleshwar, the Rockford Resort. So this resort is about 9 kilometers from the marketplace of Mahabaleshwar, but then again it is on Mahabaleshwar Tapola Road. Very scenic, very adventurous, very forestic view kind of a road, and you will love the ride. So while entering to Mahabaleshwar, you have to pay a tourist fee of 25 rupees per person, which is nominal, and then you can get into Mahabaleshwar. The ride from Panchgani to Mahabaleshwar is beautiful, through the Ghat area or through the hills. It's very nice and you can ride peacefully. We went on a weekday, so it was not too crowded, so it was just perfect. Once we reached our resort, we just relaxed and we were overwhelmed with our resort because it was inside the forest, overlooking the entire valley of Mahabaleshwar on the left side, and on towards the right you could see the Tapola village. From this resort to Tapola, it's about 20 kilometers. Location is so marvelous. It has an infinity pool and you can spend your entire life at this place, overlooking the entire gorgeous scenic beauty around, and it was just truly amazing. The food was delicious at the resort and the hospitality was just perfect. But coming back to our dinner on day 1, we thought we were gonna do an adventure. At around 7 o'clock in the night, we decided we're gonna hit the Mahabaleshwar market. Again, we have to come 9 kilometers towards Mahabaleshwar. So, it was an experience. And my bike didn't have that fog lights. So this was my first experience riding in that thick fog, dark, pitch dark, rainy climate, and it was an experience. And I loved the experience. Though it was a little bit dangerous, but I would say everyone should go through these experiences while they are riding their bikes. So we came to Mahabaleshwar market, had a little stroll around the market. It was kind of night time, so not too many people around, so that was perfect. And we found a very little small place which served delicious chicken thali, and we enjoyed our dinner over there. And to end up being in Mahabaleshwar and not having strawberry ice cream doesn't happen, right? So the next stop was at a very small outlet where they serve authentic homemade strawberry ice creams.
So here we are at the end of day 1 of our beautiful experience. For day 2 and 3, please stay tuned as it's gonna be in our part 2 of the series. Hope you guys like, share and subscribe our channel.